Hi, this is Tommy Bacardi and welcome to the demo video of our new software called Lanci app. So what is the Lanci app? In a nutshell, Lanci app is a software that enables users to instantly find the best-selling ClickBank product in real time and then promote, syndicate, and profit just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Software find out the best-selling product in any niche in real time by just entering a keyword. Step 2. Lanci find the content to match, create target and helpful posts, and embed user affiliate links. Step 3. Syndicate targeted content across multiple platforms and drive a lot of free traffic for you. Let's go ahead and see how the Lanci app works. You can see I'm in the dashboard of Lanci app. I already logged in with my user ID. Here the first thing you have to do is you have to select your subdomain. Let's go ahead and select our subdomain is demo LS. I want to start my website and an affiliate marketing niche. I decide the site title is affiliate marketing tip. If you have to put your ClickBank idea is LS 101. If you don't know how to create a ClickBank idea, you can create one. I have added a tutorial for you over here. Here you can select your niche. I'm going to choose e-business and e-marketing. Click here on e-business and e-marketing. Click on generate my site. Now you can see my site is already created. It will take some time, a few minutes to set up the subdomain and activate everything. You already create your site demols.lanciapp.com. You can go ahead and edit your site as you want. Simply click on the dashboard, choose the subdomain demo LS and then click on the appearance. In there you can choose the site layout. You can customize the field and the look of your website. Let's move to the product research function. Here I'm in the dashboard. Go to my site that I create with the subdomain demo LS. Let's go ahead and start with the product research. Click on the product research. Step 1, here you have to put your keyword. So I'm gonna put affiliate marketing in my keyword. I will click on search. Now software will give me every single product that's available on ClickBank with the details. So like how much commission you can make, what is the average dollar per sale, average review and all that stuff, what is the gravity, every single thing the software gives, and you can decide which one to promote. Let's go ahead and promote this product. Step number 2, enter your keyword in the post research. I'm gonna put the affiliate marketing and we have to now search on for field. On the search post field, now you can see here many articles let you read your keyword. Let's go here and edit this one. Click on edit and post. Here you can see the short list post over here. We will just go and click on the save and publish and post is added successfully. You can scroll up, click on the review on the top right corner to see how the post look like. Or you can go here again in the dashboard, click on my site, click on the subdomain demo LS, click on post. Click on URL. Here you can see how the post look like. You can check your page now. When you click and your page is ready, it will look like this, how your ClickBank website will look like. Whenever someone click on any of the posts, you can see here the banner image button. This promote relevant product and banner image button is embedded with your affiliate link. When someone click on this button and purchase product, you will get commission. So this is how the Lanci app works. That is awesome, right? But we're not done yet. Your create content can be syndicated across 50 high traffic platforms. When you combine this traffic with more product promote and more promotion content, there is only one outcome, commission for you. Here how it works. Go to my site, go to subdomain name, and here's my demo LS. Click on post. Here you will see all posts I create. You can click on any arrow under the URL that open specific URL link for the post create. Let's pick the first post. Click on view under the syndication. It will pop up the different traffic platforms that you can choose to share your post. That is how to get the free target traffic from 50 platforms. That means more target traffic flow in and more conversion for you. What do you think of automation? What I mean by that is user can set the keyword, enable the Lanci system to check the relay post and content according to set schedule, and then create user embed link and post. Everything is automated, done for you, set and forget it. Here how it works. Go to my site. Under the my subdomain name is demo alias. There is the tab called automation. Click on that. I already scheduled some keyword I like to have Lanci system automatically. They also work for me. You can click on create new automation there on the top pop up to let you enter in the keyword. Choose the number of posts and time. Let's use the keyword affiliate marketing number post as the time range is once a day and click on create. Here the Lanci system will check the keyword affiliate marketing for relay posts and content according to my schedule is once a day for 2 posts. That also embed my affiliate link inside of each post. All is automated by Lanci and you don't have to touch anything. All you need to do is sit back and enjoy with your automated commission coming. That's it for now. I hope you can see how great the Lanci app can make a commission for you on autopilot. Thanks for watching.